Your kitchen might be harboring a hidden danger you've never considered: microplastics. These tiny particles are infiltrating our lives in ways we never imagined, and today we're uncovering 10 shocking sources of microplastics lurking in your kitchen. But first, let's understand what microplastics are. Imagine a plastic item breaking down into particles smaller than a seed. These microscopic pieces are now found everywhere, from the depths of our oceans to the food on our plates. What was once primarily an environmental concern has now become a significant human health issue. A comprehensive review of over 3,000 studies on microplastics has led researchers to conclude that these tiny toxins are linked to serious health problems. These include lung and colon cancer, other lung diseases, and even infertility. The pervasiveness of microplastics in our daily lives is alarming, but knowledge is power. By identifying these hidden sources, we can take steps to reduce our exposure. Let's start with an everyday item you might never suspect: coffee filters. Many of us assume these are made purely of paper, but unless specifically labeled as such, most coffee filters contain plastic. When hot, acidic coffee passes through these filters, it can leach microplastics into your morning brew. The solution? Look for filters clearly labeled as 100% paper, or consider switching to a reusable metal filter. Next up are dishwasher and laundry pods. The convenient packaging that dissolves in water is actually made of polyvinyl alcohol, a type of plastic. While manufacturers claim it breaks down completely, think of it like sugar in water. It may disappear from sight, but it's still present. Consider switching to powder detergents that come in paper boxes to avoid this hidden plastic source. Tea lovers, take note. Many mesh tea bags, which look like paper, are actually made with plastic. A single tea bag can release billions of microplastics into your cup. Opt for loose leaf tea or choose brands that use plastic-free tea bags. Even sea salt isn't safe from microplastic contamination. A 2018 study found that 90% of sampled salts contained microplastics. Look for brands that specifically test for and guarantee no microplastic content. Your trusty drip coffee maker might be another culprit. The hot water often comes into contact with plastic parts before reaching your cup. Consider switching to a stainless steel percolator for a plastic-free brew. Canned beverages, including sodas, are often lined with plastic to prevent the metal from degrading. This lining may contain harmful chemicals like BPA. Try to limit consumption of canned drinks or opt for glass bottles when possible. Surprisingly, even paper plates often have a plastic coating to make them more durable. This coating can contain PFAS, also known as forever chemicals. If you need disposable plates, look for truly plastic-free alternatives or opt for reusable dishes. Your kitchen sponge is likely made of plastic too. Every time you wash dishes, you might be releasing microplastics into your water and leaving residue on your plates. Switch to natural alternatives like cellulose or coconut husk sponges, or use a wooden dish brush with replaceable heads. Microfiber cloths, despite their cloth-like appearance, are actually made from petroleum-based plastic polymers. Every wash releases microplastics into our water systems. While better than disposable options, consider using old cotton t-shirts cut into rags for a truly plastic-free cleaning solution. Lastly, even your ice cream might not be safe. Many ice cream cartons are lined with plastic, which can leach into your favorite frozen treat. Consider making your own ice cream at home or look for brands using plastic-free packaging. Reducing your exposure to microplastics doesn't require a complete kitchen overhaul. By making simple switches and being more aware of hidden plastic sources, you can significantly decrease your microplastic intake. Remember, every small change adds up to a big difference for your health and the environment. Take a moment to look around your kitchen. How many of these hidden sources of microplastics can you spot? And more importantly, which ones can you start replacing today? Your health and our planet will thank you for it.